I'm not gatekeeping Etsy sellers. This digital product makes over $2,000 per month, and it's only a 3-month-old listing. And guys, Claude has changed the game forever, because I'm going to show you on this video how Claude can create a digital planner in literally seconds with just one single prompt. And I'm going to show you on this video exactly how it works, because this is literally a game changer. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Now, this single product has 141 monthly sales. It makes over $2,000 per month, and it's only a 3-month-old listing. And I'm going to tell you why this is a bestseller, and I'm going to show you how you can produce something like this, but in fact better, using Claude with one single prompt. So remember to stay right to the end for the full process. Now, first things first, guys, I'm going to explain what this is. Now, digital planners are a way of people organizing their lives, right? Now, traditionally, before, they used to have templates. So they used to have sheets which they'll print out, and they use these as their sort of planners. But as time's gone on, obviously people want things to be digital, and so there's obviously a big opportunity with these. I mean, if you just look at some of these numbers, it's crazy. If you look at this top line, this is a popular now. And using EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool, which you guys need to have. Check out the link below, because you need some kind of research SEO tool to understand your competition. The competition is what you need to study first to see what's working, what's selling. So have a look on the side panel. You can see EverBee's there, and you see the link below so you can try out, because I'll be using EverBee to validate a lot of this information. Now, look at these numbers: 705 sales, 323, 141, 519. Digital planners are super popular, but the problem with digital planners is that they can be hard to create. You need to have a skill set to be able to do that. And this is where Claude comes in, because you don't need that skill anymore. Literally, Claude is the skill. Claude can create a digital planner in literally seconds, which I'm going to show you how to do myself. Now, there is huge opportunities within the digital planner world, especially if you find those gaps in the market and find those sub niches to get into where there's low competition. And this is what I'm going to show you right now, how to find these, because honestly, it's not hard to do. And the research is always the hardest part and the most important part of the selling process on Etsy. Okay, so the first thing that I would do is, obviously, I would use something like the bestseller that I've shown you, a recent listing that's doing well, that's popular, right? Which is this one here that you can see. Now, you can see it's a 3-month-old listing. You can see that it's an ADHD life planner using Google Sheets. And I'm going to show you how to produce a digital planner actually with Google Sheets myself, which is super quick and super easy to do. Now, this is a good sign, because if someone's got in early, then that's a good sign that you can also get into. But we still need to do our validation verification. Don't just take it for gospel. Don't just take it for a fact. Always check the research and check, validate that it does. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge, where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell on Etsy. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above, and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, now I've gone into the listing. I just want to show you another method to actually validate, make sure that this is actually something that you could get into. I mean, not only looking at the numbers and how the demand is, but if we use EverBee again and go to analyze listing, and what we do is we go down, because we're going to go down to something called the tags. Every listing has tags, which you need to add these keywords. And what EverBee allows us to see is how good the keywords are. Now, this is telling me straight away that there are some strong keywords here. You can see that they are high keyword scores, which is good sign. That means that ADHD planners, some kind of ADHD planners currently are good to get into and are low competition. So that's a very good sign, right? Now, this could be a different type of ADHD planner. It doesn't have to be like this life planner that you can see. It could be a different type, but it definitely gives us at least a starting point for the keyword that we're able to get into this kind of niche. Now, what I like to do further though, I like to use EverBee again. I like to go into keyword research. Nice to click that. And then what I'll do is I would type in ADHD digital planner. And then what will this give me? Also alternative keywords that could also do well. And actually, there's a lot of solid, strong keywords within ADHD planners. Okay, so now that we're able to sort of check this and validate this, then we can actually jump onto Claude and produce this really quickly after doing our validation. Okay, so now that we're in Claude, what we're going to do is we're going to ask Claude to analyze some listings, right? You can ask Claude to analyze specific listings and then just make sure that they look at the kind of things that they're offering with regards to the digital planner, so that when we create our digital planner, it will be unique to us and Claude will get inspiration from these types of listings. But the idea is that we create something better than what's out there. That's how you stand out amongst the crowd. But definitely you can use Claude to get some inspiration, and this is how you do it. I want to create a digital planner and need some inspiration from good sellers. Have a look at this link and give me a breakdown of the offer, as I want to create something similar but improve on it. Okay, so I've done that, and now I'm going to click the generate button. So now what it is going to study the listing. Remember, a good idea to give maybe 2 or 3 good listings, especially in that sub niche. Okay, so it's now starting to give me some information. It's even gone on to where the gaps are in the market where I can improve things. So talking about Excel version, talking about basically Claude also studies what the reviewers are saying, which is a really good way of seeing what ways to improve. So most are Google Sheets. Offering both would be a quick win. Reviews mention it takes time to figure out. So maybe add a short YouTube video or a Loom to walk through the offer. The ADHD angle is emotional, not just functional. That's very interesting. Adding more branding, more personality, bundle upsell opportunities. This is a proven high volume niche with real demand. The product itself isn't complicated to build, but the differentiation is in the presentation. Fantastic. Want me to map out what your version could include? So it's going to create a version for me that will include some good things, but also improve on it. So now it's going to structure this. It wants me to choose. So I'm going to say ADHD for general. What's your price point? After looking at some of the examples, we're probably going to start mid. Google Sheets only. Yeah, Google Sheets only. So the sweet spot is 18 to 22 tabs. They're comprehensive enough to justify the £15. Your differentiator at a quick start tab. So what it does is it can actually create for you not only the product itself, but the listing itself, the title, the tags, everything. This is the beauty about Claude. So once you go into what the product is, you found the product in your niche, then you can actually create everything for it. So it says now, want me to now fully write your listing copy or help you map out the actual tab structure. And I'm going to say I need both, as I will be creating the code for Google Sheets. So let me give you everything in one go. Let me build both documents. Wow. Okay, so what is written out is written out my listing first. Look, recommended title. You can see SEO optimized. This is what is written for me. It's give me listing description with an opening hook to get people to kind of read on what's inside. This is the full description of what you actually get. So this gives you, in part of the product description is really important to explain what you get, what buyers love, what you receive. Please note keywords. So these are your tags as well that you copy and paste, pricing strategy, and then the Google build specification. So you got all of these 17 different tabs, and you got also a tab by tab build spec, right? Wow, that is unbelievable. Now what I'm going to say now is write the code for this so I can copy and paste into Google Sheets. Okay, so what it's doing now is writing the script code that I need to paste into Google Sheets. Okay, so it's created it for me. You can see here on the side it says 2 files for you. File 1, app script, the code that makes it interactive, and then file 2, the formulas reference. And you can see how to install that. It gives me step by step how to install it. Open your Google Sheet, go to extensions, app script, delete any existing code, paste the entire contents of the ADHD planner, hit save, and so on. You can see the code is on the side here, and it asks me just to go to copy. And then so what I'll do is I'll copy it and then I'll show it to you on Google Sheets. Okay, so now we open up our Google Sheet, and this is the easiest way to do this. So just have a look at what I do. So once you're on Google, you should have been logged in, and then next to your login or next to your icon for Google is that you press the dots. You go to the dots, you go down to something called Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets and it's going to open it up for you. And under here, you go to a blank spreadsheet, and inside here, we just need to go to extensions, app script. Okay, so once you're in app script, you just need to delete everything. You don't need any of this stuff. Just delete it, highlight, delete, and then paste in your script one that you copied. Oops. Okay, just paste it in once you've deleted that, and then click save. Once you click save, then you just run it. Now what it's going to do is going to ask you for authorization just to review and just to run it because it's your account. Just click. I'm just going to click yes, go to advanced, and just give it the permissions that it needs. Click continue. Once you've done that, you can open up as a Google Sheet spreadsheet, and with whatever you've run, you'll see various tabs for your actual digital planner, which will be there, and various other things that you'll find there. So, and then all you need to do is make sure you go on the side here to share it using a link to your customers onto Etsy. So what I suggest is have a PDF, put the link there so that they can access the digital planner. And that's pretty much it, you know. But what I definitely suggest is you practice it a few times just so you get to understand how it all works. But once you know how the system works, then it's all pretty straightforward. That's how you can verify, validate a digital product that is in demand. And don't forget, you can also create your own version, different types of sub niche digital planners once you find those good keywords, low competition ones, quite easily. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.